Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Your girl is finally back. I took a break, a little too long of a break, but I am so happy to be here. If you're new here, my name is Sandy. I love sharing all about my fashion, beauty, lifestyle finds. So if you're a girly that loves all that stuff, make sure to follow me. I would love to connect with you. In today's video, I'm going to show you my latest Abercrombie haul for fall. I don't know about you guys, but I am so excited for fall. Even though it is definitely feeling like summer outside right now, it's definitely giving summer vibes. I am ready for fall. So I need this weather to start changing ASAP because I want to wear everything. Like always, everything will be linked in the description box, all the links, all the colors, all the sizes. And for size reference, I am 5'1". I'm usually a 0 to a 4 depending on the store. For Abercrombie, I'm usually a 0 to a 2 and also an extra small to a small. So let me show you what I got. Okay, so let's start with this outfit, you guys. And I almost gave up on the skirt because it was sold out for so long, but I wanted to make sure to get it in a petite length because I wanted to wear it with sneakers, sandals, heels. So I wanted to get this length so it can work with everything, and I'm so glad I waited because it fits amazing. I also got this in my regular size, which is a 26, and it does fit a little bit loose right here. I could have went with a 25, but just to be safe, I wanted to go with a 26. It's not a stretchy denim, but it does fit really comfortable, and also the slit is not too high, so you're not like worried about showing anything, you know, but it looks amazing. I am obsessed. Okay, so this top is the seamless cotton tee, and I love the scoop neckline. I did size down because I wanted it to be a little bit more snug. I went with an extra small instead of a small, and I feel like I could have totally went with an extra small, but yeah, I think I'm just gonna keep it. I love pieces like this because they're perfect for layering. They're essential in your wardrobe and you can mix and match with so many different outfits. So I also got it in white, but I definitely want to get it in black. Okay, so I posted this outfit on Instagram and I am so happy to know you guys are as obsessed as I am because I love this. I love everything about it. So let's start with the sweater. I originally wanted the stripe black and white, but it was sold out, so I just went with this beige color and it is so stunning. I am obsessed with everything, all the details. I love the color neckline. This doesn't go too far down, so you don't have to worry about showing anything or having to wear something underneath to cover anything. Also, the sleeves, like all the details are just so beautiful. I went with the medium because I wanted the oversized look. I wanted it to be comfy and I'm so happy I did. It fits perfect. I love all the details. It has 2 slits on the side, and yeah, this is definitely a keeper. Also, the skirt is a pleated Skort because it has shorts underneath, which is definitely a plus, and it has a zipper on the side. I did go with a size small. I could have totally went with a medium, but this fits perfect. So if you're in between sizes, I would definitely go with your next size up. It's not too short for me. I mean, I am petite, so I'm not sure depending on how long your legs are, how it would look, but it does have shorts underneath, which definitely helps. And you guys, I'm literally obsessed with this. Okay, so next is this outfit. I was really excited for this, you guys, but I made the mistake and I sized up. So instead of getting a small, I got the jacket in a medium, thinking I would like the oversized look better, but I don't. I am petite, so this doesn't really do nothing for me. I know it's supposed to have like a boxy look, but I think this is a little too much for me. So I'm definitely exchanging it for a size small because I love it. I love all the details. It's literally stunning. I wish you guys can see. It's so beautiful. I definitely need this because I think it's a statement piece and I can dress up any look with this. I just need it to be smaller. So the skirt is another skirt. It has shorts underneath, which obviously help it because it's a little on the short side. I did get this in a small as well, but I should have sized up for this one. Okay, next we have this wrap sweater dress. I am obsessed. It is definitely a showstopper. I got this in the petite length and extra small, I believe. I love the color. I love the wrap design. It makes it more flattering, and it's also super stretchy. It's a little thick, but it's stretchy and it's so soft. I wish you guys can feel this. This is so soft. I also love the slit. It's not too high, so you're not giving too much away. But I would totally wear this with boots like how I'm wearing it now. Or I would put on a pair of sneakers to give it more of a casual look. This is a must for fall. Okay, so next we have this t-shirt and shorts. These are from the YPB line collection. I don't have anything from that collection. This is the first thing. And I love the drawstring at the waist. These are super high-waisted as well. So they are super, super comfy. They're also really, really soft. The only issue that I have is the side. It's kind of like... I don't know how this will be when I like walk or run. I'm not too sure. But other than that, I am obsessed. So this t-shirt, you guys, I love Abercrombie t-shirts. If you don't have any of their t-shirts, you need one. They're super, super soft and the quality stays no matter how many times you wash it. I did love this picture, so I wanted to go with this. I feel like it kind of reminds me of fall for some reason. I don't know. I can wear this with dark denim and maybe like some black boots or sneakers, and I would love an outfit like that. So I wanted to have this, and I did size up. I got this in a large, and the shorts I got in my regular size, which is a small. Okay, so next we have this super pretty sweater tank. You guys, I was a little worried. I thought this would be too see-through, but it's definitely not see-through. I love everything about it. It's super, super soft. I love the neckline, and it's also full length, which I really liked. It has slits on the sides, and I went with a small. I didn't want this to be tight or too big, so I went with a small, and it fits perfect. I also have on the Sloane pants, but these are in the denim version, and you guys, I had no idea they had the Sloane pants in denim. So when I saw, I needed to grab them. I got both colors. They have these, which are like beige color, and they also have a blue denim, and they fit just as good. I love the Sloane trousers, and these fit perfect. They're also high-waisted. They are true to size. I went with a petite length because I wanted to be able to wear sneakers, sandals, but yeah, love them. You definitely have to check them out if you love the Sloane trousers. Okay, so next I have this denim jacket. The only problem is that this is supposed to be a cropped denim jacket, but I got this in a medium instead of getting it in a small, and I'm regretting it because you can't even tell it's supposed to be a crop jacket. So I'm definitely changing this for a small. I love the color. I definitely needed something like this. I have a lighter wash, so I wanted something this shade, and I love everything about it. All the details. It's nice and comfortable. It's not stiff at all. I don't know if you guys have the same issues with denim jackets, that they can be a little too stiff. This one is super, super soft and comfortable. Details are perfect. I just need to change the size. Okay, so next we have this top, and you guys, I was really excited about this, but to be honest, I am not obsessed with this, so I think this might have to go back. I love everything about it, all the details. The sleeves are stunning, everything, but I'm just not obsessed with it. It's supposed to be a cropped, loose-fitting top, but I'm not like in love with it, you know. It has a zipper on the side, and I got this in a small, which is my regular size, but I don't know what it is. Maybe it's my body type, but I just don't like how it looks on me. I can't find something that looks good with it. I'm just not in love with it. So I think this is going back, but it's stunning. Like, I wish I can keep it. I wish I loved it, but I know I'm not gonna wear it. I saved the best for last. You guys know I love Abercrombie sweatshirts, and this one just needed to be in my closet. I love the color. It's so pretty. It's super, super soft. If you don't have any Abercrombie sweatshirts, I highly recommend them. The ones that I have, I've had for years, and I wash them over and over and over again, and the quality stays the same, which is why I love them and I continue to purchase them. This one is so pretty. I love all the graphic. All of this is just stunning, and I know I'm gonna wear this with everything because the color is like a neutral color, so it's easy to pair with any type of outfit. Super cozy. I did size up. I usually size up between a large and an extra large. I got this in a large. I didn't want it to be like too oversized, and it's perfect. And that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget, everything will be linked in the description box. If you have any questions regarding sizes, colors, whatever, just leave me a comment and I'll make sure to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.